Here we have another exclusive brought to you by Pedestal TV, the Air Jordan 7 Retro Championship Pack, aka Champagnes. The Champagne Air Jordan 7 comes with a white base, as you can see, midsole, sole, remastered black leather. One of the most outstanding point about these sneakers is the all gold tongue. One of my favorite things about these sneakers, the all gold with the gold Jumpman. The white 23 in the back. Also a little more added detail in the inside. With the gold lining. Also black laces, gold tips. Also comes with the championship ring replica with the Jumpman logo in the middle. Diamond, crested. The Jordan 23 engraved on the side. Also on the other side, abbreviation, year of the 7, 1992, the year he won the championship. Out of the cigar and champagne pack, these is my personal favorite, mainly because of the gold tongue, the engraved Air Jordan. Feel free to leave a comment, question, statement. Let us know how you feel about this year Air Jordan 7 pack compared to last year Air Jordan 6 championship pack. Thank you for watching Pedestal TV.